Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have covered some text DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will also cover some more text DAX functions. And this is the last part of this text DAX function category. And from next class guys, we will cover new category of DAX functions. So let's start the class. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this trim DAX function. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. It removes all the spaces from text except for a single space between words. So guys, this trim function is really useful to remove unwanted spaces in our dataset. And look at the parameter guys. So we have just only one parameter, which is text. So let's go to Power BI desktop and check with this practical. So guys, I have created one new table here which name is new. And now let's check this table. So go to data view and here I have taken one column which name is names. And here we can see guys, we have lots of unwanted spaces here in that column. And if you check this first record guys, so here we can see lot of gap between name Shubham and Ashish. And you can also check other records as well. We have lot of unwanted space here in this column. Let me drag it here. So guys, in Power BI, we have very useful DAX function to tackle such problems, which name is trim. Some folks have already used this formula in Excel. So I will simply go here in new calculated column and let me rename this DAX function as trim. And now I will write my DAX function, which is trim. Bracket start. So we have only one parameter guys, which name is text. And under this text parameter guys, I will take this column name, which is names, which is from the new table. And close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our new column has added, where it removes all the unwanted spaces between the text. So in this way guys, we can use this trim DAX function in Power BI. So I hope guys, now you have clear understanding about this trim DAX function. And now move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is Unichar, which stands for Unicode character. So go to reference page and understand the definition first. It returns the Unicode character referenced by the numeric value. And we have just only one parameter, which is number. So let's go to Power BI desktop and see the practical. So this time I will create one measure here. So let's go to practical page and go here in new measure and click on new measure. And my measure name is Unichar, which is Unicode character. And now I will write my DAX function, which is Unichar. Bracket start. And here we have just only one parameter, which is number. And now question is from where we need to enter the number. So let's go to the Google page and here is the list guys, where you guys can see many unique characters and each character has unique code and you guys can use any character from here. You simply need to write this code number in our measure. Let me scroll it down and here we can see lot of characters. So let's suppose I want this emoji in our report. So I will simply copy this code from here and paste it here in our measure and close the bracket and hit enter. And now let me take one card visual from here and my measure name is Unichar. So simply I will search my measure and simply drag and drop it here. So here we can see the result. The same emoji sign we can see here in our report. So you guys can use any of the character which you want. So with the help of this UniCharacter DAX function, you guys can use any UniCharacter in our report. And this list link I will share in the description box so that you guys can explore more characters from here. So I hope guys now you have good understanding about this Unichar DAX function. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is Unicode. So let's go to the reference page again and we will read the definition from here. It returns the number, code point corresponding to the first character of the text. And here we have just only one parameter, which is text. So let's go to Power BI desktop and go to data view. So guys, Unicode is an international encoding standard for use with different languages, and scripts by which each letter, digit or symbol is assigned a unique numeric value that applies across different platforms and programs. This is the standard language guys of computer. And if you want to see that Unicode, so we need to use this Unicode DAX function. So I will take this new calculate column from here and let me edit this as Unicode. And now I will write my DAX function, which is Unicode. And here we have just only one parameter, which is text. So let's suppose I want to see the Unicode of this sales ID column. So I will simply enter this sales ID column, which is from the sales table, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here is the list of Unicodes. So I hope guys now you are cleared with this Unicode DAX function. And now move towards the last DAX function of our today's class, which is value. So let's go to the reference page and let's understand the definition first. Value converts a text string that represents a number to a number. It has just only one parameter, which is text. So let's go to Power BI desktop and understand this concept with practical. So go to the data view, and if you look at this quantity column guys, here data type is text. So guys, value function converts text data type into numbers. Although you can directly change the data type from here, text to numbers. But we are studying all DAX functions, so we should have knowledge about all the concepts. So I will change the data type with the help of value DAX function. So quickly go here in new column, and I will edit this measure as value. And now I will write my DAX function, which is value. So here we can see guys, we get two formulas. The first one is value and the second one is values. So we need to select this value, not values. This values function we will cover in our upcoming tutorials. So firstly I will select this value. And here we have just only one parameter, which is text. So I will simply select this quantity column because we want to change the data type of quantity column, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, here data type is converted into from text to decimal number. So in this way guys, you can use this value function to convert the data type. So with this class guys, we have completed all the DAX function of text categories. From next class guys, we will cover new category of DAX functions. I hope guys now you have cleared with all the text DAX functions of today's class. So let's do more practice and explore more yourself. And stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. Under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon, else you will miss an update. And for job seekers guys, we have this Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview updates and some scenario based questions. You don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you require paid training guys, so guys, I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one guys, I prepare for interviews. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn and Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. And for free learners guys, we have this YouTube channel. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.